Just one more shoot, my little friend. We will be done soon. I think we have enough time to... Oh! Howdy! Welcome to Adventures with Kendall. Now, I'm going to show you something that's related to what I was doing right now. And that is to show you a famous movie star that is also a steam locomotive. Now we're heading out to Jamestown, California to see the legendary Sierra Railway No. 3. Come on, let's go. Welcome to Jamestown. Today, we're going to see Sierra No. 3. Out of all the engines at Railtown 1897, there's one in particular that I really like. Let's go check it out. It's in here in the roundhouse. And there she is. Sierra Railway No. 3. Built by the Rogers Locomotive and Machine Works of Patterson, New Jersey in 1891. Sierra Railway No. 3 has quite a history. As one of the first engines on the line, it hauled both freight and passenger trains along the Sierra Railroad. But eventually, more powerful engines took her place, and that seemed the end of our favorite locomotive. But fate had other idea.
Okay, listen to you.
And soon, Hollywood came knocking on the Sierra Railway's door to use their rail line. And more importantly, use their engines in movies, specifically westerns. And there are 200 plus films that the Sierra Railway No. 3 has starred in, such as The Unnamed Engine in Kansas Pacific, and most famously as Central Pacific 131 in the hot blockbuster film Back to the Future Part 3. And speaking of Back to the Future Part 3, this caboose rear was built specifically for that movie because in one moment Doc and Marty fall over while climbing on board to get on the train. Sierra No. 3 was also featured in television shows, such as Petticoat Junction from CBS. Its time on the silver screen also benefited in its restoration. Clint Eastwood donated some funds to the restoration of Sierra No. 3 and actually called the engine an old treasured friend. Yes, sir, the film studios have done a lot to save this engine and the property that surrounds it. Well, it's time to go. See you back at the base. Later. Boy, was that interesting, folks. I certainly enjoyed seeing that steam locomotive as much as anyone. Especially thinking about Back to the Future Part 3, because that was the movie that introduced me to this famous engine. Well, that's the end of this show. See you later, folks. And remember, may your gifts bless the world. What do you think, little guy?